Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's videos, I'm going to show you how to change LCD for iPhone 11. The first thing you have to do, make sure you have the correct tools, all the correct tools for this iPhone. Okay, then you lose the two screws at the back of the phone, these two screws down here. Then another thing, if the phone is the first time for you to open it, you need to put at the heat machine at least for 10 minutes because the glue is new. The glue is new, so at least the glue become weak, so it will be easier for you to open. But if the phone they already opened is many times, no need for you to put on the heat machine. As for this phone, already this is the first time for me to open it, so I'm going to put at the heat machine at least for 10 minutes. After you heat it for 10 minutes, okay, if you have these tools, you know, some people use these tools, you can use this one also to open it, okay. Then you can use this one also to put on top here, like this. You squeeze it, okay. You just try to squeeze on top of the screen, then open it. You try to pull it like this. See? Okay, you see it's open already. Okay, but if you don't have this one already open, you see, if you don't have this one, you can still use the same pencil like this. You just put here and open it like this. You be careful, don't open it full, okay. Open it halfway and pull it down a bit like this. Pull it down a bit so you will not spoil the cable for the front speaker, okay. Then you have to lose all the screws and make sure you have the correct tools to lose these tools, okay. The tool is supposed to be like this one. Then you lose all this screw here. Make sure you put them nice place. It's just 5 screws. You remove the 5 screws for the big cover. Okay, 5 screws. Then you remove the cover. Okay, disconnect the LCD and the speaker. Okay, then you remove the LCD. Okay, the next thing you have to do, you have to disconnect the battery, because when you are testing the new screen, when you are fixing the new screen, the battery needs to disconnect after you fix the screen before you connect the battery also. So you remove the battery. You remove the cover and disconnect the battery. Okay, disconnect the battery before you put the new screen. Before you fix the new screen, okay, you have to remove the speaker. This is the speaker and the sensor. You have to take it out to fix it on the new screen before you fix on the phone. Okay, so this one to also have 4 screws to remove. You lose this one up here, and this one, the screw, you see, is different screw. iPhone have different type of screw, so you make sure you have the correct tool. So I have to change the screwdriver and take another one. You have to use the star one. The star one, you can use it to remove the speaker because its own screw is different. That's why you need to get all the correct tools for iPhone, because iPhone have different type of screw. It's not like Oppo or Vivo, they use only one screw. iPhone uses different type. See, even the small one here also, the screw is different. I have to change. Make sure you place them one side, then you take out the speaker. This is the speaker, because this one you have to fix it at the new screen before you fix on the phone. Now it's time to fix the new screen. Okay, so you have to take out the rubber, this one. You be careful, remove this rubber. Okay, and you fix the LCD first. You fix the speaker first with the sensor. You replace all the screw. After you finish replacing the screw, you try to fix the LCD. Make sure the battery is disconnected. Very be careful. Then you fix the cover. Don't forget to fix this cover, because this cover is very important. If it's not fixed, this one will cause, if the phone fall down, the screen will goes off. You have to open it and fix it back again. So it's better you fix it. Don't forget it. You have to replace all the screw. After you finish, fix all the cover, fix all the screw. Okay, now it's time to close it. And make sure when you close it, you start from the top. You make sure the top is fixed properly before you rest the back. Okay, and you rest everything. Don't forget to put the 2 screws again back. Then you on the phone. It's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.